This is the elevator at the, these are the very busy main elevators here at the Wyndham Hotel here in Lake Buena Vista, Florida. These were Montgomery's modernized by OTIS, as you can tell right there. Now these are gonna be really busy, so I'm gonna try to get best take as I can. Note 19. Note 19. Modernized in 2013. Airlocks 03. Inspection. Wow. 19. Back down to M. We got our cab view over up here. Here are fixtures, by the way, your series M2. Very nice. You do need a room key to go here. Again, these elevators, so
M.
right. Oh, this one's going down. Switch it out. Set it down to 1. These are incredibly busy elevators. That one, strangely enough, has a weird door. That one has a rear door. Here's this one. Inspection. 19. Whoa. These are fast.
19.
1. Here's your view of the window. Montgomery logo. Very nice. I like the wood. Fast. Here are 1, which is really the part, which is P. There goes and. That's it.